Yeah, abrupt end to the buffing. 0% chance of rain when we woke up this morning. We should know better this summer, since it rains every day.
My arms are gonna be dead by the end of the day.
That's how this goes. Shanna prefers to use Nuvite polishes applied with a wool pad at buffer speeds of between 600 and 1000 RPM. She'll work a small area with the buffer until she's happy with it, and then she'll move down the trailer. She starts with the heaviest grit required for the trailer and will work all the way around the trailer before switching to a finer grit. Right now she's working just a couple square feet at a time. It already had a little bit of buffing done right around the front window, but now she's starting to work her way back with the first round.
Please like, subscribe, click the notification bell. It really helps our channel.
It doesn't take a lot of compound to start seeing results. You can see Shanna applying with a fingertip just a few little blots of compound. So you've done about 2 feet top to bottom?
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's hot.
Yeah.
But I'll take it. It's not raining.
Your reflection is showing up. Looks good. Kind of the whole quarter is now.
We have a lot to do.
Yeah, no.
Have you considered getting the other buffer?
Good question. I was finding other things to do right now.
Oh, were you?
I was.
It's rewarding, but it's a lot of work.
It's like a hall of mirrors in here.
I am going to need scaffolding or something to get that upper.
Yep. I'll figure that out.
Okay.
Do you want to move around the front to the shady right now, just to take a break from the sunny side?
This end is going to get really hot real fast, and I don't want to be like burnishing on hot metal.
True.
So I would rather keep this in a round.
Yep.
For later on this afternoon. So.
Okay. Yeah, I'll try to figure out the scaffolding question.
Yes, please.
After a while, the buffing pads get clogged with compound, but you can use a spur tool to refluff the pads and get a little more work time. Our preferred method for cleaning the pads is dish soap and a bucket, and then we spin them out to dry them. Well, Shanna got about a quarter of the way around the trailer today, but we quit right before.
Aren't you glad you're not out there doing burgers?
Yeah, we 0% chance of rain when we got up this morning, decided to do some buffing. Shanna's been working hard, but as soon as it looked like it might change, we quit. You definitely can't buff in the rain. A couple drops won't be the worst thing, but like pouring rain is a big no. So
Rained out.
Rained out yet again. Should have known better when we got up this morning. It's gonna rain today. Yep, those are just little hails. They're not big hails. No cause for alarm yet. Okay, they're getting bigger.